Hello everyone, welcome to a new session. Today I would like to present to you a new feature which we have for port machining. It's the transform rotate option. I would like to show you where you can find this picture in the UI. The options are right here in transform rotate dialog. You have the possibility to rotate the toolpath or translate the toolpath. And you also have 3 additional sorting methods, and we will go through each of them in order to see how they are behaving. What's important to know is that each time you activate the Transform Rotate option, more linking options are available in the linking tab. But first, let us create an original toolpath such that we know what we are translating and rotating, of course. This will be our reference toolpath. Now I will copy this operation here in order to have my surface available. And I would like to transform it. I would like to rotate it in 4 number of steps and with a rotation angle of 90. First, I would like to show the alternate surface connection. I will hide this one. This is our rotated toolpath, and let us quickly see how they are sorted. So each time a port is finished, it goes to the shortest connection. Let us copy this operation right now here, and we will change the sorting to do the top first. Let us hide this one, and now you will see that we will do the top of the port first, and then goes to the bottom and finish the operation. And for the bottom operation, I will copy that one again and change the top sorting from top to bottom. I will hide this one, and we will see that we are doing now the bottom of the port first, and then goes to the top of it. Thank you very much for your attention.